You have another go? We just changed the card. There you go. That's a 28 Ford, and doesn't she sound beautiful? Thank you, Jen, that was lovely. And here we are at the Grand Hotel. Sunday afternoon, the Grand and the famous Crocodile Bar. A nice Holden in lovely condition. Looks like it's driven every day. Here we are at the lagoon, which is not too bad for a Sunday afternoon, and the sun's shining, lots of people here having a nice day.